Yep. Hey guys, welcome back to this week's video. So for today's video, we're in a car. I'm here with my best friend Lila. We're about to go drive. I'm about to show you guys my July playlist, and yeah, let's go. Me, when we drive, there's like two cars and they're like waving at each other. Oh my god.
I'll be riding shotgun underneath the hot sun, feeling like a someone. Shotgun underneath the hot sun. I'ma lose my mind. Crazy, I'ma do the obligato. Get the rubbing on my lap, get the chili up the bottom. Get that ass busting out the bottom. I'ma lose my mind. They have Naomi Campbell, but still my
Iconic.
No way too beautiful, girl. That's why it'll never work. You have me suicidal, suicidal.
This is so nice. I know. It's like the climb of that one scene.
That's why I love her. It's independent. Do it.
In half a mile, turn right onto.
Oh wait, I know a really throwback song.
Popping bottles in the ice, like a blizzard. Sipping scissor in my ride, like 3-6. Now I'm feeling so fly, like a G6. The grass is really greener. And twist, and twist.
Oh god.
Oh, whoa. Oh, whoa.
Hold on.
Oh, whoa. You know you love me. I know you care. Shout whenever.
Alright, dude. We're at the destination! Lila.
Hey.
I'm gonna be so dead if it was not focused the whole time.
I guess what hurt me most of all, you were playing with my heart. Tell me, why am I emotional when I knew it from the
Too bad I don't like
start?
cats.
Time to take pictures.
Fine. It's fine. It's fine.
Are you okay? This is what I live for.
This is what you wanted.
This is what I literally wanted.
This is what she wanted in life. She's so happy. There it is.
There it is. Franklin, you came back. You said, who's Franklin?
Did you release a turtle into the wild?
Yeah. I tried to take pictures for Lila and like I stepped on a trunk because I was like, oh, smart me. I'm gonna like step on a trunk and like so I'm not stepping on grass with like sandals on. And then like the trunk started to separate and I saw like big fat ants. Fat ants. Like they were big. I was like, Jesus Christ. So like I ran.
They were really big.
They were fat.
Yeah, I was like
PH fat. And then there was also a bee and there were many wasps. We went on the dock. Show pictures right now and they're really good.
What's up, baby? Come on. shifted higher than the ceiling. And ooh, it's the ultimate feeling. You got me lifted, feeling so gifted. Sugar, how you get so fly? Yeah. Alright. Alright. I wanna take it back. Oh
girl, what you doing with your man? I just popped us in 50,000.
Wait a second. Oh my god.
Hey guys,
What did it
my
die?
camera is low-key about to die, so
Jesus
if
Christ.
you guys like this week's video, please give it a thumbs up. I will leave my social media links down below. I'll leave her social media links down below. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe now. Turn my notification bell on, and yeah, my name is Jennifer. I'll see you guys next week. Bye.
Turns out the wrong side of the bed is the right side. Get out of bed on the left and I smile wide, cause I know I'm gonna make this big. It's the best of both worlds, I can change my wig. Get it? Time to show what we each do. Call stupid but we smile when we need to. Screw logic.